Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a really fun apple, kale, and pomegranate salad. I love this recipe because, well, it has a great visual to it, but I'm also going to talk a little bit about the different apple varieties that we have here in the United States, what kale is related to, and should you buy organic or not. So let's get to making it. Okay, so to make this salad, what we're going to do is we're going to slice our apples. We're going to slice out the top, but you want to slice it so that you don't slice in this area here. You want it to actually be a little bit taller. So slice out the top, and then we're just going to keep cutting it into rings. Okay, so there are over 2,500 different apple varieties here in the United States. Oddly, only the crab apple is native to our region. And guess what? If you ate an apple a day, it would take you 7 years to try every single one. And then just taking an apple core, we're gonna remove all the seeds because no one wants to eat those. So as you can see here, we prepped the apple, cored out all the seeds in each layer. Now we're gonna build our salad. Now we're just gonna spread some goat cheese on each layer, kind of like you put cream cheese on a bagel. Very similar. Just like that. So should you buy organic kale or conventional kale? Well, there's a couple things to consider. The first is price. Organic produce can be more, and hey, you might not have the budget for that. Also, accessibility. Organics are not available everywhere. But here's the thing to consider. Kale, conventional kale, is listed on the Environmental Working Group's Dirty Dozen list as one of the top vegetables that really absorbs pesticides. So if you really want to eat pesticide free and you're really concerned about that, buy organic. And now we're just gonna build our salad. Put a little bit of kale on there. Did you know that kale comes from the same plant as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage? In fact, over time, farmers have used selective breeding to create this wonderful diversity of vegetables that we have today. That particular group of crops is called cole crops. Top it off with some pomegranate seeds. Add the next layer. And then just rinse and repeat. Add some more chopped kale, more pomegranate seeds. Add on the next layer. And then just top it all off. It's a very easy last-minute salad for your holiday table. Great visual. Okay, so that's how you make this fun salad. The thing that I like about it, like I said, it has a great visual to it. It's not super hard to put together, and you just get a lot of bang for your buck. It's just a few ingredients, and it looks great. Let me know if you try it. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, hey, subscribe. I release a new one every single week. Especially if you like to cook, let me know what you'd like to make. Drop a comment down below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.